The best work is done when humans focus on strategy and creativity, leaving repetitive tasks to machines. In this lecture, we will explore how automation can simplify business intelligence process from data extraction to transformation and reporting. By the end, you will understand techniques to save time, increase accuracy, and focus on insights rather than manual tasks. In this lecture, you will understand the benefits of automating BI workflows, learn techniques for automating data extraction, transformation, and reporting, explore tools and methods for implementing automation in BI. BI workflows involve repetitive tasks like gathering data, cleaning it, and generating reports. Manually performing these tasks is time consuming and prone to errors. Automation streamlines these processes, ensuring accuracy and freeing up time for analysis and decision making. For example, instead of manually downloading sales data from multiple sources and merging it into a report every week, automation tools can do this in minutes, delivering a ready to use dashboard. Let's have a look at the key benefits of automation. Automation significantly speeds up repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more strategic work. Processes like data entry or report generation that once took hours can now be completed in minutes, increasing overall productivity. By reducing human involvement in manual processes, automation minimizes errors. For example, automating data cleaning ensures consistent and accurate results, which are critical for making reliable decisions. Automated workflows ensure that processes are performed the same way every time, eliminating variations caused by human error. This consistency is especially important for tasks like report generation or data extraction, where reliability is key. Data comes from various sources, such as database, APIs, and spreadsheets. Automation ensures this data is collected regularly without manual effort. For example, a marketing team can set up an automated process to pull up social media metrics daily from platforms like Facebook or Google Ads via APIs. Python scripts for database queries or API requests, ETL platforms like Talend or Informatica. Once data is extracted, it often needs cleaning and organizing to make it usable. Automated transformation processes handle tasks like removing duplicates, standardizing formats, and aggregating data. For example, a retail company might automatically clean raw sales data by removing duplicate entries and converting currencies into a standard format. Data transformation platforms like Alteryx or Power Query. Cloud-based tools like AWS Glue for large-scale transformations. Reports and dashboards provide insights, but creating them manually takes time. Automating report generation ensures data is always up to date and accessible. For instance, a sales manager can receive an automated email every Monday morning with a dashboard showing weekly sales performance. BI tools like Tableau or Power BI with automated refresh capabilities. Google Sheets or Excel with macros for recurring report generation. Look for processes that consume significant time and are repeated often, like downloading data, merging files, or sending reports. If a finance team spends hours combining monthly expenses from different departments, this is a prime candidate for automation. Select tools that match your workflow needs. For small-scale automation, tools like Excel macros might suffice. For larger operations, cloud-based platforms are better suited. Automated workflows need monitoring to ensure they function correctly. Test them thoroughly and make adjustments as needed. A company might set up an automated process to update inventory data daily, but test it for a week to ensure accuracy before full deployment. Marketing automatically generate campaign performance reports by pulling data from Google Analytics and ad platforms. Sales automate weekly sales trend dashboards using real-time CRM data. Operations automate inventory updates from warehouse systems to reduce manual entry errors. Automating BI workflows is like building an assembly line in a factory. Instead of workers manually assembling each product, machines handle repetitive tasks efficiently, allowing workers to focus on quality control and innovation. Just as assembly lines revolutionized manufacturing, automation revolutionized BI by improving efficiency and accuracy. Identify a repetitive BI task, for example, generating reports, cleaning data, or sending dashboards. Research a tool or technique to automate this task and outline a step-by-step plan for implementation. In summary, automating BI workflows streamlines data extraction, transformation, and reporting, saving time and improving accuracy. We discussed techniques, tools, and use cases, demonstrating how automation allows businesses to focus on insights rather than manual tasks. What BI tasks do you think are the most time consuming to perform manually? Can you think of ways automation could improve these processes? Share your ideas in the comment section.